Achy Dad here. I wish I could say my legs were achy from biking, but it's been a lot of rain, so not much biking. We're lucky enough here in southern Vermont to have V-Bike Solutions, a non-profit dedicated to bike evangelism, and it's run by Dave.
Hey, I'm Dave with V-Bike, and it's vbikesolutions.org, and we're a nonprofit. All these bikes are donated to us and all the e-assist equipment. We are testing this stuff out to see what's really viable for folks, what's going to work in Vermont, what's going to be able to get your kids to school, how you're going to climb those hills, and something that actually lasts. So we really test these things out, looking at the lighting systems and all kinds of accessories, and of course the bikes and the e-assist systems. It's really cool. Check it out. This is an example of like a commuter bike, but also maybe possibly for seniors, for people that have mobility issues, hip issues. This is an ultra step-through bike that was converted into an electric assist. It has a front hub motor, the Hilltop motor that we just put on it, that you can put that conversion kit on almost any bike. Takes about 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes if you're mechanically inclined. We put that on there. We put on a nice rack. We put on a nice bag. Easy to get through. You just have to lift your leg about, I don't know, 5, 6, 7 inches, and you're on this bike. We have something called the Take It Home program, where people can actually take home one of the bikes after a brief training period. We have to make sure that you're safe on the bike, that especially if you're going to carry kids, you know what you're doing, rules of the road, but also how to operate our bikes. And yeah, the Take It Home program is an awesome thing for people to be able to see what it's like, get some direct experience, because you don't know. And once you try it out, for a lot of people, it's like game changer. This is exactly what I need in my life. More kind of experience of the world, our sensory and emotional experience of our community and our bodies, and more connection with your kids and just everything you love.
Right on, man. We're lucky to have you in the area, Dave. All right, everybody, stay safe out there.